These days we have data almost everywhere, and when there is too much information, it could be very tough and difficult for anybody to make a single decision. Definitely you have done online shopping so far, and whenever you want to buy something, you see a loads of items and products when you want to choose among all of them. That's information overload in action, and that's where recommender systems come in. Think of them like your personal shopping assistant. When you want to buy something, you can use this feature to make your life easier. For example, when you want to buy a book online, the site might suggest you some similar items, and based on that, you can choose and make decision easier. So how do they work? This system actually filter lots of data, and they use small algorithms to predict the next item that you might interested in. And also they analyze your behaviors and preferences, and ultimately they consider all of these factors, and based on those factors they suggest you and recommend products or content or whatever are available in that website to you that could be related to you and similar to whatever you are looking for. This is how it works. Think of it as like a two sides of the coin, which could be useful for both seller and buyer. For seller, it could be like connecting people that make more profit for that business, because in this case customers can find whatever they want easier, and this can lead to more profit and increase the sales. And also for customers, it could be easier to find whatever they want, and they can make decision faster and easier. So as you can see, it can be useful for both of these sides. And in a nutshell, recommender system making shopping and decision making online much easier and also fun. So I suggest you, if you want to read more about this concept, which is applying in all of the businesses at the moment, and you might want to apply this for your business as well. So I suggest you to read Recommender System 101 book, which are available on Amazon Kindle store. So I'll show you the chapters that are available and show you the sample of the book.